how's it going? Steven here with Builds AI with a quick look at DIYPC DIY-G5-BK tempered glass black computer case. At a quick glance, as you can see, it is all clear and tempered glass. So it is pretty obvious that you have to be very careful with this. You don't want to have dogs or kids running around this thingy. And you can see here all that white cable. Yeah, why would they do that? They put a damn white cable on the back of the see-through glass. Or in general, they put a white cable in an all-black case. And, you know, like, it's not an obvious accessory or just wire hanging in your case. Yeah, that's pretty bad. That is 100% boo. We're doing the Asus Z170E with the Zelman LQ320 liquid cooler. And here's the inside of the case. We have 2 bays for regular hard drives or 2 SSDs, as well as mounting slots on the actual chassis behind or in the front. I'm pretty sure it's really up to you how you do that. Alright, that scratch there came out straight out of the box. I did not do that. As you can see, it's on the edge of the tempered glass. It's pretty obvious. That's what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to focus at a distance to see, obviously, the scratch. And just right about here, you could see definitely that scratch on the black, the trimming of the side panel. Here, after completing the cable management, I realized that, yeah, that white cable was just not installed properly when assembling this case for shipping and whatnot. So, yeah, I did it the lazy way. I just left it the way it was. So I kind of paid extra on that with time. I had to basically undo it and redo it, because look at that. Jesus. Yeah, I am not using a modular power supply, which, you know, those ugly power supply cables are showing, but still, look at that. It's a big, obvious white, you know, skid mark right there, just inside the case. So this is how it looks right after I fixed that little issue. That was the original position, and now I'm showing you the method I did. So this might help some of you guys to actually save some time and not do this twice like I did, because, you know, cable management does take quite a bit of time. That's probably the most time-consuming part of it, and that's basically how I routed it also, to be a little less obvious. Tucked it on top right there. And voila, it looks a lot neater. If you are going to put a DVD drive, I just realized, which I did on this one, that's what? DVD drive. Yeah, it's got a glass thing in the front. Yeah, okay, whatever. Never mind. So yeah, that's the LED plug. A little bit sensitive, that little bar you see there, that white bar with the LEDs. I believe I cut it here because I wanted to install it with 2 hands. And because it looks pretty fragile. And here is the beautiful white cable. Yep, I didn't really want to take much footage of this when I originally made the video, but yeah, as you can see, my god, yeah, that beautiful white cable.